हमारी बहनों बेटियों का वही आक्रोश ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के रूप में पूरी दुनिया ने देखा है, अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है।
करारा जवाब समग्र भारत की जनता की ओर से कि सैकड़ों की संख्या में आतंकवादी हताहत हुए। हमने तो हमला आतंकवादियों पर करा था, रिहायशी इलाकों पर, गुरुद्वारों पर, मंदिरों पर, मदरसों पर गोलीबारी करने का काम पाकिस्तान ने किया।
अगर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भारतीय नौसेना अपनी फॉर्म में आई होती तो पाकिस्तान के 4 टुकड़े हो जाते। हाफिज सईद और मसूद अजहर जैसे आतंकवादियों को भारत के हाथों में सौंपने से करनी चाहिए।
ये पापा से उन्होंने बोला कि आप जिस तरीके से इतने बड़े दुख के बाद आप खड़े हैं हमारे साथ, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the NewsHour Friday Spotlight. Sarva Dharma Sthal. This is the Dharam and the Karam for the Indian Armed Forces, a shared place of worship for all faiths and religions. Our unity is our greatest strength while our forces targeted Pakistan's terror dens. Pakistan targeted our civilians, gurudwaras, mandir and a convent. It is their bigotry and cowardice which led to Pakistan's defeat in Operation Sindoor. India's Trishul, Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah, Home Minister and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh have warned Terroristan both with words and action. Prime Minister Modi met the family members of Pahalgam martyr Shubham Dwivedi. Home Minister Shah was at the Poonch border, kneeling at the Gurdwara and Mandir targeted by Pakistan's shelling for 4 long days. Raksha Mantri was on board the 45,000-ton warship INS Vikrant, which boxed Pakistan in during Operation Sindoor. 37 days after Prime Minister Modi rode Mitti Mein Mila Denge from the soil of Bihar, today he returned to declare, we have avenged Pahalgam. You also heard Home Minister Amit Shah vow a karara jawab or an iron-fisted response on terror. Rajnath Singh not just demanded the return of terror overlord Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar, but threatened to cut Pakistan into 4 pieces. While India unites to fight terror, there is another war which is raging on. It's the Mahabharat over Operation Sindoor. We will discuss this on the NewsHour Friday Spotlight tonight, but let me introduce my panel this evening. Joining me on the show tonight, Pradeep Bhandari, National Spokesperson of the BJP. Next to him is Anand Ranganathan, political analyst, author, scientist, call him what you will. To my left, marketing guru, Suhail Seth. Also joining me in the studios, Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress Party. To his right is Somnath Bharti, former Minister of Law, Tourism and Culture in the government of Delhi and senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party. With him is Amit Jamai, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and of course Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, supports the left parties.
Lal Salam.
Standing extreme right.
Left party, standing to my extreme right. ये लाल सलाम किसके लिए?
लाल सलाम आपके लिए.
Okay, all right.
आप इतना अच्छा शो करती हैं इसके लिए.
All right, so the legitimate question we begin with tonight on the show is the Mahabharat over Sindoor. And I want to start with you, Ashwini Kumar. Why is the Congress, why is the opposition just so charged up about the word Sindoor? Sindoor and Operation Sindoor was the theme, the emotion on which this battle was fought. After women were asked what their religion was, their husbands were killed in front of them by terrorists. Children saw their fathers dying in Pahalgam. And Sindoor was very, very emotionally a name given to this to avenge this kind of massacre that we saw in Pahalgam. Today we are doing politics over it. Log mazak bana rahe hain Sindoor ka. I want to ask you, is this what you want to give to the martyrs? Is this what you want to give to those who've lost their husbands, their fathers, their families? I want to ask you, why is there no seriousness and at least name of Operation Sindoor? Can that be left aside in the politics of daily accounting that goes on between the opposition and the treasury benches?
Let me continue from where you left off. जुबां तो खोल, नजर तो मिला, जवाब तो दे, मैं कितनी बार लुटा हूं, हिसाब तो दे. We are seeking accountability from the government, and I'm very happy you call those three parliamentarians and Prime Minister, Home Minister and Defence Minister Trishul, not Trideb. I would have been not surprised if they were called Trideb, because that's what media has been portraying them. Media has been portraying them like a god and not seeking an accountability from the government. That is what we are asking. You ask the right question. Why those terrorist attack happens in the first place? Is this a question we should not be answering? Is this not an accountability of the government? So those are the questions which opposition is asking. Coming back to the Sindoor, who is doing politics on Sindoor, that's very well evident. You can see what Bharatiya Janata Party has been doing. They are sending Sindoor across a country, and more importantly, if you understand the importance of Sindoor, who put Sindoor on females, we all understand that if we start getting those Sindoors from our beloved Prime Minister, which Bharatiya Janata Party, by the way, have called the Rashtrapita, Bharat ke Pita Shri Modi ji hain, pure Bharat ke Pita Shri hain. So I think
No, this is fake news. First of all, we are not distributing Sindoor anywhere.
It is an official statement. No,
it is not an official statement. This is a fake news.
Modi ji Bharat ke baap hai. Modi ji Bharat ke baap.
Neither are we distributing Sindoor anywhere.
Why have been advocating it from last 4 days?
Quote me where has been officially tweeted. I'll apologize on the show. Quote it, otherwise you apologize on the show. Where has it been said Rashtrapita? Quote me. You have quoted my party. Where is it?
Doesn't understand the importance of
Sindoor. It's not the Congress headquarters where you can say anything to Rahul Gandhi. Please quote me.
Will distribute the Sindoor to the entire nation.
Well, let me get things into perspective. Please. You're quoting something. He's saying it's fake news. It hasn't been stated by the party. Well, the official statement of the party is against this. Nobody from the party has said it. Now, if you pick up hearsay, that can't be something that the BJP
received Sindoor?
Why would I receive Sindoor, sir?
Has any lady you know received
No,
it?
BJP is going to start a campaign.
Answer my question.
You remember when Atal Bihari Vajpayee, did you remember when Atal Bihari Vajpayee died? They were
The problem with the
distributing
Congress is you don't answer questions. Has any
The problem is we don't ask question to the BJP. Who is the government? That's the biggest problem.
He's asking you a question. Has any lady that you know?
Why do you not have the intelligence to answer my question? I'm asking a very simple question. Do you know of any lady who has received this? Because that would be witness and that would be tantamount to correcting him. Do you know of any lady?
They will be distributing, and there are a lot of ladies. There are a lot of ladies. There are a lot of ladies who received fake news. Elections are happening in Bihar and Bengal.
And this I will not let you go this way. This is not Supriya Shure's headquarters where you can say anything.
Fake news 100 times will not become real. But let me come back. Fake news has become the reason for these statements coming in from the opposition. And ladies and gentlemen, why I am drawing your attention to these sound bites is important. First listen in and then I come to my question.
మోడీ గారు తెచ్చిన రాఫెల్ యుద్ధ విమానాలు మన పాకిస్తాన్ కూల్చింది. ఎన్ని కూల్చిందో రాఫెల్ గురించి చెప్పమంటే ఈ రోజు చర్చ లేదు.
कैसे जयशंकर जी खुद प्रेस एजेंसीज को सामने बैठाकर और खुद बता रहे हैं कि हमने पाकिस्तान के आतंकी ठिकानों पर हमला करने से पहले पाकिस्तान को सूचित कर दिया था. इसको आप क्या कूटनीति कहेंगे? ये डिप्लोमेट रहे हुए हैं. आज जो देश के विदेश मंत्री हैं ये एक राजदूत रहे हुए हैं, आईएफएस ऑफिसर रहे हुए हैं. क्या इसको कूटनीति कहते हैं? माफ कीजिएगा, हमारी देहाती भाषा में इसको मुखबिरी कहते हैं.
आतंकवादी तो शायद बीजेपी में प्रवेश किया होगा, इसलिए पकड़े नहीं जाते. वो जो 6 आतंकवादी है पहलगांव वाले, वो इसलिए पकड़े नहीं जाते कि शायद वो एक दिन आपको बीजेपी कार्यालय से प्रेस नोट आ जाएगी, वो 6 लोगों ने बीजेपी में प्रवेश किया है, तो आप भूल जाइए सब.
অপারেশন সিন্দুর নামটা দিয়েছিলেন পলিটিক্যালি এটাকে ক্যাচ করবার জন্য. তাও আমি এটা নিয়ে কোনো মন্তব্যে এখনই যাব না.
Sindoor is political. कोई कह रहा है मुखबिर गद्दार, which is a traitor. Your own foreign minister is being called a traitor. Sanjay Raut is saying that Operation Sindoor was a failure. He is also standing there and saying, oh, we can't find those terrorists because they have joined the BJP. Somnath Bharti ji, look at the voices of the opposition and look at the Pakistan Prime Minister. Won't be amiss of me to say that he is probably, detailing India's victory better than the opposition leaders within India. Isn't that a shame for Indians and India?
Navika ji, whatever is happening, everybody is witnessing it. The way Congress party, couple of leaders, and the way things have been said, they would tantamount to be anti-national kind of statements.
Wow.
I would say that, I mean, this is in the Pakistan's interest to ask how many Rafale, planes have been.
National security's interest.
Question is not that. See,
it is for the national security's interest.
Let me just put it.
You're putting a wrong perspective to it.
I said anti-national.
Anti-national. I heard
Congress is anti-national.
I'm saying that in all statements which would be helping Pakistan in any manner. All right, they cannot be pro-India.
So he's taking you to the cleaners.
All right, so please, sir.
He can always.
You're a senior person in the marketing. So just let me.
He's on your side. He's your ally.
See, Pakistan PM. I mean, he's giving you ample proof that what our Sena has done. Our Sena has done tremendously good work, and possibly had they not been stopped by the government of India, for whatever reason they stopped, POK would have been with us. That's my only concern, which has not been addressed. We all were waiting that POK should have been in India, Pakistan should have been eliminated from the earth. I mean, this is a golden opportunity across the world.
Pradeep Bhandari, how Somnath Bharti has decimated Congress party is for everybody. आप अपने alliance partners को पहले समझा लीजिए, who have clearly stated that you are anti-national.
Surgical strike कर दिया आपने.
But Pradeep Bhandari, Rahul Gandhi continues to ask again and again, कितने jet गिर गए? Revant Reddy, same question. Mamata Banerjee has a problem with the name Sindoor, and of course Sanjay Raut के तो क्या कहने?
Well, Navika ji, I appreciate the evolved stand of the Aam Aadmi Party, which on 4th October 2016 was asking for proof of surgical strike. I think the nation's sentiment has compelled them to evolve their stance. I welcome it.
I also,
allow me, sir, I was listening to you. I'm not comparing. I'm telling you, evolve your stance. It's
don't
true.
put things that way.
4th
we never questioned any
4th October 2016, you asked for proof. It is Arvind Kejriwalji's tweet.
That was something else.
I'm appreciating you, sir.
You have been saying something different.
Mr. Kejriwal demands for proof for surgical strike. I have not said
that was not the thing.
No, you should have filed. You're a lawyer. You should have filed the cases against all of them. It's an official tweet. I'm appreciating you evolving your stand. I'm not saying that you've done a wrong thing. I'm appreciating it. And
I'm also questioning POK is
I'm coming to it. I appreciate your sentiment that you only have expectation for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government to take POK, not the Congress party, which was your alliance partner. I welcome all of that. But I'll come to the moot point. The moot point, Navika ji, is why are all these people doing it? Because General Bipin Rawat spoke about 2.5 front war. This is exactly the 0.5 front which we have to be really, really conscious about. Please tell me, why is the Congress party going against their very own leaders, whether it is Shashi Tharoor, whether it is Salman Khurshid, whether it is Manish Tiwari, whether it is Anand Sharma, who is speaking for India across the world. But they are promoting and backing Jairam Ramesh, who's comparing member of parliament with terrorist, Udit Raj, who's asking for proof, Pawan Khera, who's retweeting Jairam Ramesh statement, and Rahul Gandhi, who is busy playing jujutsu. Rahul Gandhi, a man who was to the government, who was elected government, that right is given by the Article 19 of the Constitution. You cannot stop us asking the question to the government. It is government accountability to answer the question, relevant question. We'll always ask relevant questions. So, sir, my point is, ask us 100 questions.
Then
but
you should answer them. You have never talked about the accountability of the attack. Have you ever talked about the accountability of attack?
This is exactly the line of Pakistan and China. After the attack. And you are talking about victims. This is after 26/11. This is the victim, Meera Devi's wife. She still not got justice, sir. You did not even provide justice to a single victim of 26/11. Name me one cheaty जो आपने पाकिस्तान के अंदर मारी. मेरे को नहीं विश्वास है.
Because these were all army covert operations. They were never used for political gain.
Was the foreign secretary at your time? What is the right?
Where you use armed bases to do
politics. On page number 91 of your foreign secretary's book, it is written that the forces have given you option to hit. Relax, sir. You will get all the point. It is not my book, it is your foreign secretary Shiv Shankar Menon who in this book, our foreign secretary, I take back my word, our foreign secretary, our NSA, who in his book on page number 91 writes that the forces had given the government of the day the option that we should strike against Lashkar-e-Taiba and Murid K. However, the government of the day said no, despite Pranab Mukherjee agreeing to the idea. So Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi did not want to strike Pakistan. You in 2010 did goodwill gesture in which you released 25 terrorists. Out of which one of them had attacked in Pakistan.
Same Shashi Tharoor, you were quoting, right? You were quoting.
He was the national security advisor in the Congress government. He was the national security. I don't understand. No, how can you rebut? Anand Ranganathan wasn't Shiv Shankar Menon.
Basically, the game is to prove it to you that Congress is anti-national. Opposition सरकार है. ये दूध के धुले हैं. ये दूध के धुले हैं. जो आजादी की लड़ाई में कभी लड़े नहीं.
देश का बंटवारा करने की नींव इन्होंने डाली.
ये है दूध के धुले.
Communists fought.
नहीं.
The communists fought for independence, right?
Yes. Bhagat Singh was a communist. Chandrasekhar Azad was a communist. There was an entire.
Bhagat Singh appreciated Veer Savarkar.
Gave the idea of bipartition.
यार खड़े होकर के कांग्रेस को गद्दार कहेंगे, कम्युनिस्टों को चाइना का एजेंट कहेंगे. अगर होते तो 70 साल में देश टूट जाता. देश बचा, हम आगे बढ़े क्योंकि हम देशभक्त हमने काम किया.
It's very unfair that the communists, after having done such splendid work for India's independence, are today only in one state. I feel sad. The communists' contribution to Bengal has been tremendous. You know, when they came in, industry was at 92%. When they left, it had fallen, as you know, but no fault of the communists. My point is, today a nation has become united because we are against one enemy. Why do we have this habit of always questioning the integrity of our armed forces, of our government in national crisis? A, B, you're absolutely right. You have every business to question the government, but you have no business to ridicule a government, ridicule an armed forces program. You don't have any right to justify the fact that you took no action whenever you were in power. My point is, this is a moment of national solidarity, of the nation coming together. And let me tell you, as a complete, I hate all political parties, so I don't like any one of you. I mean, I like you, but I hate your parties. Let me tell you, when you say this, the people of India, and the BJP will maximize it, the people of India will begin to feel that, oh my God, ye desh ke saath nahi hai. Why would you want that narrative? I have never said.
No.
You're saying why not?
10 seconds.
You're saying
Sorry, sir, listen to me.
Ask Navika.
Give me 10 seconds. I'll tell you.
That Rahul Gandhi has his heart in the right place. I will never say he's a traitor. I will never say he's anti-national. I've never said it. I've always said he is as Indian as any one of us. But sometimes the narrative will be misconstrued because the narrative...
No, we stood with...
None of us here has said...
Modi.
1 minute.
None
of us here has said that the Congress party is anti-national.
No, that's fine.
Who said it? The only person who said it is an alliance partner of the Congress party, the Aam Aadmi Party.
No. I said whosoever gives statements in favor of Pakistan.
तो दिया ना, किसने दिया?
Whosoever.
But you quoted
the fundamental difference?
So what I'm saying,
he mentioned the two statements, one by Revanth Reddy on how many fighter jets have fallen.
So
the other was made by Rahul Gandhi.
Anti-national statement.
So coming from the Congress Chief Minister, the Congress leader. But it's important to point out that there are some within the Congress who have risen above the party lines and stood up for the nation. Watch the multi-party delegation that is abroad. One message, one mission is what they have gone with. And I want to play out, because this is what India needs. We may be on different sides of the aisle, but we speak in one voice, when our country is being targeted by terrorists and terrorists that are controlled by the nation, which is our neighbor. Listen in first to that feeling of India that we miss so much in our domestic politics.
I don't work for the government. As you know, I work for an opposition party.
I'm a vocal member of the opposition.
Yes, we have our political differences, but when it comes to the integrity of our country, it is high time that the neighboring country understand
that India stands united against terrorism.
हम अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जब देश की बात है, हम सब एक हैं.
We are from different parts of India, north, south, east, west. We have different mother tongues, and out of the 8 of us, we represent 5 different religions. Yet we are one India.
India is indeed united.
Complete support extended, not only by the Congress party, but the entire Indian opposition, all the political parties.
Pakistan, unfortunately, figures as the prima donna of states that are directly complicit in the export of terror.
Terrorism has become an economic industry for Pakistan to hold the world to account.
India will not watch terrorism. We will not accept terrorist attacks.
If they hit us again, they're going to get it back. No act of terrorism goes unpunished.
Vivek?
Yeah.
Is this not a reasonable stand for everybody in India to take? Why are we speaking in different voices at a time when Operation Sindoor continues? It is a pause, but the operation is not over.
I mean, see, the operations have been going on since 1947 and we all know it. We supported Modi. Every party supported Modi. The entire nation supported Modi. We supported the army. हमने कहा मोदी साहब बढ़िए आगे, हम खड़े हैं आपके साथ. चाहे राहुल गांधी हो, लेफ्ट हो, कांग्रेस हो, सब साथ में थे. और हमारी भारत की सेना ने हमला किया, हम साथ खड़े थे. बोला गया, फॉर्मली बोला गया. लेकिन उसके बाद हुआ क्या साहब? आप गए, आपने हिट किया और सुबह ट्रंप साहब का एक ट्वीट आता है, सुनिए आप पहले, और वो कहते हैं मैंने दोनों को बिठा करके रात भर बात करी और सीजफायर के लिए मान चुके हैं. सुबह सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग पाकिस्तान was given money by the IMF. You could not stop it. I have a right to question. I have a right to question. Why did Trump declare the? Okay, why didn't Modi declare it? I would have cheered Modi. I'm against war. I'm not a warmonger.
Okay.
Have you met Trump?
10 seconds.
One minute. Have you ever met Trump? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. I have worked on a campaign.
Which one, Valiana or Donald?
Let me tell you, he is unhinged. Nothing he says should be taken at face value. And let me tell you,
the money that Pakistan got,
this is submitted in their court.
That is another matter. There are many people submit documents. You've been part of the National Herald case. You also submitted documents. That court and all doesn't matter. So let me tell you, he's an unhinged guy.
Pakistan got the money that very morning.
Who did the Howdy Trump?
Pakistan got the money.
And then you get that from and you call yourself Vishwaguru. Howdy you call yourself Vishwaguru. This is the Vishwaguru. Howdy is signed to I will respond this in 2 factors. First of all, okay, fine, agree. After that, the Indian government gave its official statement, right? The ME has given, the Minister of External Affairs have given multiple times. There has been a press conference. So you don't believe in the official response of the Indian government? You are a made in China product. How will you believe that? You are a man who goes against the forces. You are a man who goes against the forces and the forces in the Middle East. You are a made in China product. You are a made in China product. That is why you don't believe in it. That is why you don't believe in it.
Anyone here have sober trait? I'm worried that we shouldn't be left with two. वो दे दो भैया दो panelists we don't want missing.
Required this side as well.
No, you bend down backwards. You saluted the Americans. Pakistan has got the money. Not a single country stood with India. ना किसी ने असला दिया, ना statement. अकेले खड़ा था हिंदुस्तान. Failure of your foreign policy.
Everybody is with us.
You stood with the imperialist capitalist of Pakistan.
If the Chinese are not with us, if the Pakistanis are not with us, if the Turkish are not with us, doesn't mean the world is not with us. You are a made in China product. You only want the support of Chinese. I'll tell you what is your intent. When our forces are killing Naxalis, this is the CPM. This is the CPM which supported the Naxalis. You are an anti-India person. You support the Naxalis. Can you give your
whatever you want?
One second.
You support these imperialists, Americans, these capitalists. ये पूंजीवाद का शासन बंद करो.
कम्युनिस्टों को शर्म आनी चाहिए. 1962 के युद्ध के बाद चीन कर रहे थे.
Before you have a seizure, please allow me to ask a question.
I'm too tough.
Let me ask.
This don't happen.
But I'm worried that
हमारी
nothing
आदत
should
है हम
happen to you
कम्युनिस्ट
in
हम
my
सड़क पे लड़ते हैं.
studios.
तभी
It is
जमानत
my
जब हुई है.
responsibility. 1 minute. I want to ask Anand Ranganathan this question. And Anand Ranganathan, asking questions, fair point. The opposition has the right to ask questions, whatever questions they may be. But the questions matter. Questions on kitne jet gir gaye.
And timing matters.
Absolutely. Timing matters. I agree with you.
Very true.
Suddenly, out of power, you're making a lot of sense.
They're in power, Punjab.
They're in power still.
Okay, all right. But he's making a lot of sense, and I compliment
which is shocking.
you.
Yes.
No,
not you. Party.
Anand ji,
Avnath ji wanted to have coffee.
My question, I still haven't asked my question. My question is, questions like, how many jets have fallen? They have not asked about Pakistani jets, aircraft, but they are asking about Indian jets. Then somebody says, terrorists have joined the BJP, that's why you can't find the Pahalgam terrorists. Somebody else says, Operation Sindoor is a failure. Now, these are head of media cells, editors of the mouthpieces of their parties who are making these statements. Why would they make such statements if they really had India's interests in their heart and in their mind?
Navika, first of all, thank you for having me on this important
Apologies
discussion.
for the delay in coming to you. But
अभी तो अमित साहब का भी नहीं आया, चांस नहीं आया, भी बहुत वेट कर रहे हैं. तो I'll be very brief. 2-3 points रखने हैं मुझे. I think we need to understand that yet again, Congress has failed to read the room. It's not the fact that they are anti-Modi or they are anti-India. It's not under contention. But historically, उनकी policies were dictated by appeasement. इसके बहुत proof है. लेकिन इस बार, it is not about appeasement of a particular community, because you see, vociferous leaders of that community, as you know, are in the multi-party delegation.
Asaduddin Owaisi.
Not just him, Ghulam Nabi Azad,
absolutely,
so many others, Salman Khurshid. So it cannot be about appeasing a particular community, because that division doesn't work anymore, because that entire community is now against Pakistan and with India in the Operation Sindoor. Owaisi साहब को देख लीजिए, मतलब I am one step away from voting.
And we call it social justice.
I have waited for half an hour.
Sure,
please.
sir.
You just wait. आप पे आ रहा हूँ मैं पहले. This has to be I don't know what it is harakiri. Because they have, as I said, it is not about anti-someone. It is about anti-common sense. It doesn't make sense for Congress to do what it is doing. Now, couple of points out here. Number one, विवेक जी इतना चिल्ला रहे थे, we were worried कि क्या कुछ ना हो जाए. Yes or no, मैं सीधा सवाल पूछता हूँ, मैं सीधा सवाल.
मैं क्यों पूछते हो?
क्यों ना पूछूं? दोस्त नहीं मेरे दोस्त नहीं. सुनो, बिल्कुल मैं कर लो, है दोस्ती के नाते.
पूछो सर, पूछो.
Simple yes or no. Do you commend our security forces killing Maoist terrorist Basav Raju? Yes or no?
भाई हमारी पार्टी
बोलो
yes or no,
बोलो yes or no,
yes or no,
नहीं सुना नहीं, बोलो yes or no.
नहीं, if it was not an encounter killing, yes.
एक second. You support the killing of the terrorist Basav?
We are against Naxals. सुन लीजिए सर, एक सेकंड.
Maoist, do you support?
सुन लीजिए ना सर. हम नक्सलवाद के वायलेंस के खिलाफ हैं. हम भारतीय सेना पे हमलों के खिलाफ हैं. हम आर्म्ड एग्रेशन को कोई भी लेफ्ट फ्रंट की पार्टी सपोर्ट नहीं करती. लेकिन जो नक्सलिज्म के कॉजेज हैं उसको एड्रेस करिए. आदमी नक्सलाइट क्यों बनता है, एड्रेस करिए. वो तो गरीबी है, उसको एड्रेस करिए.
आप एक सेकंड.
One minute. Just to quote Anand, I just want. Boss, there's no such thing as partial pregnancy. You give an answer, yes or no.
इसी बात है सर. क्रिमिनल है, क्रिमिनल खराब है. लेकिन अगर समाज में अंदर बन रहा है, उस
my friend, it is not criminal. It is terrorism. It is terrorism, and terrorism has only one language. And Anand Ranganathan, this is where they go wrong in their policy.
We are against terrorism.
Waited for half an hour. अमित साहब का भी अभी चांस नहीं है. I'm glad Suhail said, just to quote Anand, he didn't say just to say that Anand did was proven right. There is no such thing as pregnancy. अब मैं अश्विनी जी पे आता हूँ. एकदम ठीक कहा आपने. मैं नाविका से भी डिफर करता हूँ. It is not just that you have the right to ask questions. It is that you have a right to ask any question you wish. If it is a wrong question, you will be blasted, right? If it is the right question, either that question would be honored with an answer or not. अब मैं अपना time आपको sacrifice कर रहा हूँ in good spirit, Ashwini ji, because you're a friend. Can you please state 3 questions you want to ask Modi? Start.
Accountability on why Pahalgaon happened.
Acha.
What action has been taken to why Modi ji did not visit Pahalgaon or Manipur or any other places where it was most important for him to go. Third question is, Modi ji said that I am accountable for everything happened. 50 दिन का टाइम दो, सड़क पे के जवाब दूंगा. 11 साल में एक चीज का जवाब नहीं दिया. एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस.
Just 10 seconds, ठीक है. अब देखो, जब सडनली रैबिट आ जाता है ना कार हेडलाइट्स के सामने, तो हक भगा जाता है. इन्होंने मैंने इनसे कहा 3 सवाल पूछिए. एक भी सवाल इनका ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पे नहीं था. एक सेकंड.
प्री ऑपरेशन
दैट इज ओके. बट इफ यू लुक, पकड़ना बहुत आसान होता है नाविका. पिछले 15-20 दिन से ये सारे सवाल मोदी से नहीं पूछ रहे. ये हमारे आर्म फोर्सेस को बिरेट करने के लिए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में पूछ रहे हैं. दैट इज योर प्रॉब्लम. यू बोथ स्टैंड एक्सपोज. यू आर आस्किंग फॉर योर क्वेश्चन. इंडिया. लेट मी आस्क. मोदी इज नॉट आर्मी. मोदी इज नॉट इंडिया. 1 minute. सर, यू आर वन क्वेश्चन. एक सवाल है अमेरिका जी. ही आस्क मी 3 क्वेश्चन. आस्क वन क्वेश्चन. टाटा बाय हो गया.
This is not between you and him. Amit Jamai also present here, and Amit Jamai, I quickly want to ask you this. What is the problem? What is the problem with naming Operation Sindoor? Operation Sindoor. The most divisive issue has become the name of the operation as time goes by. And I want to ask you why.
सबसे पहली बात तो देश की तीसरी लार्जेस्ट पार्टी को आपने बहुत समय के बाद समय दिया. मैं चाहूंगा कि आगे से थोड़ा आखिरी लाइन के लोगों को ख्याल रखें. देखिए, हमारी जो भारतीय अफवाज ने जो फैसला लिया ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का, पूरे देश में किसी को एतराज़ नहीं है. हमने वज़ीर-ए-आज़म साहब के साथ पक्ष ने विपक्ष ने, एलओपी साहब ने, राहुल जी ने, माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने, हमने ब्लाइंडली हमने कहा फैसले लीजिए. क्या मुलाकातें राहुल जी की और प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब की नहीं हुई जिस दिन फैसला लेना था? बहुत सी बातें ऐसी जो मैं यहाँ पे कह नहीं सकता हूँ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी से जुड़ी हुई. ब्लाइंडली हमने आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को कहा कि फैसले लीजिए और आगे बढ़िए. वो आगे गए. हमारी फौजों का जो हौसला था, पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा हुआ. सभी लोग खड़े हुए, पक्ष विपक्ष, सुहेल साहब भी, आप भी, हम सब भी. हमारा सिर्फ एतराज़ इस बात से है कि हम इंदिरा जी और अटल जी के भारत हैं, अमरीकी साम्राज्यवाद के गुलाम नहीं हैं. ये फैसला हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब करते, हमारे वज़ीर-ए-आज़म कहते कि हम कर रहे हैं, रोक रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं, हमें कोई नाराजगी नहीं होती. लेकिन जो पूरा देश आज पाकिस्तान के साथ हमने क्या जाना कि चीन सबसे बड़ा खतरा बन के सामने आया, जिसका असेसमेंट प्रधानमंत्री जी ने किया था नहीं किया था हमें नहीं पता है. दूसरी बात यह है कि चीन जब हमारे साथ सामने आया, रियल टाइम पे उसने सारे अपने हथियार, गोले बारूद, जहाज, उसने सारी हमारी जो है रियल टाइम पे उसने सब डाटास को इकट्ठा किया. हमारे नेताजी जब रक्षा मंत्री थे मुलायम सिंह यादव जी, वो हमेशा कहते थे कि पाकिस्तान थ्रेट है, पाकिस्तान से खतरनाक जो थ्रेट है वो चाइना है. तो सवाल ये है कि इस लार्जेस्ट.
So I completely agree with you. No, I completely agree with you. My only question.
मुझे आपने वक्त नहीं दिया.
मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ रही हूँ ना, जब आपने अलायंस पार्टनरशिप की थी कांग्रेस के साथ, तो क्यों कर ली? ये तो एमओयू वाली पार्टी है ना. ये तो चाइनीज एम्बेसी से राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन में चंदा लेने वाली पार्टी है ना. तब आपको चाइना नहीं याद आया, आज आपको चाइना याद आ रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्लेक्सिबल एंड वेरी कन्वीनियंट पॉलिटिक्स. 30 seconds. I have another question and I'll start with you.
चाइना चल रहा है, चाइना
प्लीज 10 सेकंड दीजिए, मेरी बात पूरी होने दीजिए। वो तो बोल ही रहे हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं,
हमारे बीच में आप इतना बोल रहे हैं।
हमारा ये कहना है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी को अमेरिकी साम्राज्यवाद के सामने घुटने टेकने की जरूरत नहीं थी, वो आज गलती कबूल करें। सुनिए ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में आपको शर्म आती है कि जिले इलाही पार्लियामेंट में कैसे आएंगे, जिले इलाही कैसे बात करेंगे, बताएंगे। ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में बैठो और हम आपके करें जो फैसला आप लेंगे, आज भी हम आपके साथ हैं।
I went to Mulayam Singh Ji's house when he hosted a dinner for Bill Clinton. But at that time, Bill Clinton was not an American. He was a Fiji citizen, was he? He hosted a dinner for him. Amar Singh organized the dinner. You were a child at that time, but ask Akhilesh. The dinner was hosted for Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton came there. Everyone from India was invited. My point is that cut our people slack. We cannot always be suspicious of our people because we trust the other people.
आप ये भी कह सकते हैं।
I have many other questions.
आप एग्री करते हैं कि नेताजी जब रक्षा मंत्री थे, चीन को 4 किलोमीटर अंदर घुसेड़ दिया था। मेरा सवाल है, you have no idea. You have no idea.
अगर आपकी नीति सुनो हिंदी में जवाब दूंगा। अगर आपकी नीति साफ होती तो भैया सियाचिन ग्लेशियर जब आपके नेताजी सरकार में थे, जब नेताजी सरकार में थे, सियाचिन ग्लेशियर कांग्रेस पार्टी पाकिस्तान को देना चाहती थी, क्यों नहीं नेताजी ने बैनर तोड़ा? जब राहुल गांधी ने MOU तोड़ा, क्यों राहुल गांधी के साथ बैलेंस किया? शर्म आनी चाहिए। बातें करते रहते हो पाकिस्तान के आतंकवादियों के सामने बात करते हो बनारस से।
1 minute. I want to shift focus to question number 2. No. Question number 2. And the spotlight is on Congress's only solution to fight Pakistan and China. Make Rahul Gandhi the Prime Minister. Yes, you heard that right. Even at a time like this, psychophancy trumps Desh Prem. Reality is replaced by wishful thinking. While Prime Minister Modi has roared that Operation Sindoor is not over, Rahul Gandhi is giving jiu-jitsu classes to women in the Congress party. You can catch a glimpse of Rahul Gandhi's busy day on your screens. But listen in to the psychophancy first.
Modi kalam challina roopai. Modi raddaipoyina 1000 రూపాయల నోటు లాంటోడు ఈ రోజు రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారి నాయకత్వం ఈ దేశానికి అవసరం ఉన్నది. రాహుల్ గాంధీ లాంటి నాయకుడు ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి ఉంటే ఇందిరాగాంధీని ఆదర్శంగా తీసుకొని అపరకాలి ఆదర్శ మార్గంలో నడిచి పాకిస్తాన్ 2 ముక్కలు చేసి పాకిస్తాన్ ఆక్యుపైడ్ కాశ్మీర్ ని హిందుస్థాన్ లో చేర్పించుండేవాడు రాహుల్ గాంధీ లాంటి వాడు ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి కావాలి. ఇందిరాగాంధీ గారి మనవడైన రాహుల్ గాంధీ ఈ దేశానికి ప్రధానమంత్రి కావాలి. వారు ప్రధానమంత్రి అయితేనే ఒక పక్కన పాకిస్తాన్, ఇంకొక పక్కన చైనాను యుద్ధంలో ఓడించి భారతీయుల ఆత్మ గౌరవాన్ని నిలబెట్టాడు.
Rahul Gandhi should be Prime Minister.
I just want to say one thing. With great responsibility, I want to say this. I'm no supporter, as I said, of any political party.
That's not
to constantly berate the sitting prime minister of a country.
Yeah.
He did not sneak in through the back door. He was not an appointee. He was not a nominee. He has won an election. Of course, Rahul Gandhi should become the prime minister if he wins the elections. I mean, if his party wins the elections. This constant thing of saying Rahul Gandhi should become the prime minister, there is no entitlement left in a democracy in today's India. So, if he has to become the prime minister, let him win the election.
He will become the prime minister. He will win the election.
Tomorrow, I will become 29.
Tomorrow, I will win the election. We have brought down this government to 2 Baisakhi and this will get down to 29.
Against United States of America, it is his leader Akhilesh Yadav doing handshakes with Barack Obama. When did he not speak against it? It is Akhilesh Yadav in 2012 who made it. शर्म आनी चाहिए आपके दौरे में आपको जवाब दो. No, it doesn't matter. If अगर अमेरिका के खिलाफ है तो पूरा अमेरिका के खिलाफ हो ना.
सवाल होता है
जवाब तो सियाचिन ग्लेशियर लेने की.
All right, Pradeep Bhandari. I'm coming to you.
चांस ही नहीं आ रहा.
भारत के सबसे बड़े युवा सोशलिस्ट नेता फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर और तीसरी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अगर किसी बिल क्लिंटन से मिलते हैं या किसी से मिलते हैं, ओबामा से मिलते हैं, मेरा ये कहना है, हमने ये कहा कि हम अपनी नीतियां आपके चरणों पर रखने वाले हैं।
हाँ रखी ना, सियाचिन देने की बात करी थी पाकिस्तान को, सियाचिन देने की बात करी थी पाकिस्तान को, क्या किया तुमने? क्या किया आपने? सियाचिन पाकिस्तान को दे रहे थे मनमोहन सिंह, क्या किया आपने? 26/11 आतंकवादी हमले के पाकिस्तान में हमला नहीं किया, क्या किया आपने? सरकार से आपने गठबंधन तोड़ा, राहुल एमओयू करा चाइना के साथ, क्या किया आपने? और सबसे बड़ी पार्टी नहीं हो आप, सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है, बड़ी पार्टी हो, किया ऐसे ही होगी। तुम बहुत पूछोगे किसने दिया था टेररिस्ट को, चीज को किसने दिया था? टेररिस्ट के केसेस जवाहरलाल नेहरू, ये लो जवाहरलाल नेहरू, अरे जवाहरलाल नेहरू, अरे पहले ही दे दिया जवाहरलाल नेहरू, झूठ है जवाहरलाल नेहरू, मेरा जवाहरलाल नेहरू, जवाहरलाल नेहरू।
1 minute.
ये रहे
1 minute.
2003 में तिब्बत
आनंद रंगना
चीन को दिया, मरहुमा
गिफ्ट करने की बात कर रहे हैं।
अरे ये
चाइल्स दे रहा था,
पूरा गृहस्थी है पूरी है। हम लोग तो
1 minute.
किसी ने सिंदूर नहीं लगाया, सुन लीजिए बात को। देखिए
शहजाद सिंह,
अब अमीर साहब की मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ। आज मैं बिल्कुल किसी कम्युनिटी की बात नहीं कर रहा, हम सब देश एक होके खड़ा है। लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, बहुत अच्छा आपने किया और मैं आपको राष्ट्रवादी मानता हूँ, नॉट जस्ट सोशलिस्ट। सुन लीजिए बात, सुन लीजिए। आपने चाइना को क्रिटिसाइज किया है, मैं आपको मानता हूँ, आपने एकदम सच कहा है। और मुलायम सिंह ने जो कहा था वो भी सच था। मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, और इसमें मैं कम्युनिटी मुझे लानी पड़ रही है क्योंकि वो हमारे ही लोग हैं, उन्हीं की कौम की बात कर रहा हूँ। क्या आप चाइना को कंडेम करते हैं कि उन्होंने 1 मिलियन मुस्लिम्स को कंसंट्रेशन कैंप्स में रखा हुआ है? क्या आप कंडेम करते हैं? सुन लीजिए, क्या आप कंडेम करते हैं कि चाइना उनके साथ फोर्सिबली स्टेरिलाइज कर रहे हैं, पोर्ट खिला रहे हैं, 1 मिलियन उइगर मुस्लिम्स को कंसंट्रेशन कैंप्स में रखा है? करते हैं?
मैं बात बोलूं?
रहा है ना सवाल है, सीधा
सवाल हो गया। 100 अरब
एक सवाल
सुन लीजिए,
आप यहीं खड़े हो जाओ आकर के नाविका जी की,
नरेंद्र मोदी
आप जवाब देते नहीं हो,
आपसे सवाल पूछा, आप नहीं पाए।
नाविका जी का है,
सबको मेरी चाहिए।
सैलरी बहुत,
विदेशी सामानों का बायकॉट करो, चाइना का बायकॉट करो। $100 अरब का नरेंद्र मोदी की हत्या कर रही है, और वही पैसा, उसी पैसे से मुसलमान वहां पे मारे जा रहे हैं, उसी पैसे से
ओके, another question.
मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स करने का टाइम नहीं मिला।
प्रो चाइना,
if you give opportunity to others to take your time, then
good guys never win. Good guys never win.
Yes.
नविका जी,
good guys never
चाइना
win.
को एक्सपोज करना चाहूंगा मैं।
What is the point that you want to make?
नविका जी,
Because good guys don't.
See, because China was being discussed.
Yes.
China became the benchmark for our patriotism. So here is the example of patriotism. Government of UP tweets, चीन की दिग्गज फुटवेयर कंपनियां उत्तर प्रदेश में निवेश करेंगी
2500 करोड़।
ये निवेश कानपुर और आगरा में प्रस्तावित 2 फुटवेयर पार्कों के लिए है। 27 मई 2025। ठीक है जी, नंबर 1 सेकंड। अब मुझे बताइए, तो चाइना निवेश करेगी 27 मई 2025 को, ये ट्वीट आया है।
मैं जवाब दे दूं?
ये पैसा कौन, एक पैसा कौन कमा के ले जाएगा? एक सेकंड, चाइना लेट मी कंप्लीट, नो,
नहीं मैं आपके
यही चाइना पैसा ले जाएगी।
अरे सुनो,
पाकिस्तान को आम देगी।
मैं कह रहा हूं
से हमारे सुहागनों के
मेड इन इंडिया, सुनो,
ये चाइना
मेड इन इंडिया,
चाइना
अरे सुनो, ऐसे मत करो, पाकिस्तानी वाली बात मत करो। सुनो मेरी बात, इनका था रिश्ता,
अभी
मेरी बात सुनो। मेड इन इंडिया डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट ने मेड इन चाइना को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया। आप बता दो अखिलेश यादव का ट्वीट है किसके पक्ष में?
अरे ये
बताओ, मेड इन इंडिया ने, मेड इन इंडिया डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट ने मेड इन चाइना को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया। और 2004 में जब हमारी सरकार गई थी, ट्रेड सरप्लस छोड़ा था चाइना के साथ। आपकी 10 साल यूपीए के अंदर ट्रेड डेफिसिट में घुसा दिया आपने। 25,000 करोड़ का डिफेंस एक्सपोर्ट हमारे समय, 1 लाख करोड़ से ज्यादा का डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन हमारे, उसमें जवाब दो। अब मेड इन चाइना के खिलाफ एक ट्वीट अखिलेश ने किया।
प्राइम मिनिस्टर इन वेटिंग उत्तर प्रदेश वाले,
आप मुझे बताओ कब किया?
सुन लो भाई,
आप घुमाओ
We are digressing from the debate. This is 1 minute. 1 minute. I will have to get order. I will have to get order in this debate. We are debating Operation Sindoor. Now we are not settling scores from 1947 to 2025. No. So please let's, we are going back. We are going back to 2001, 2003 and God knows when.
Yeah.
But my question is Rahul Gandhi, should he become the Prime Minister and then POK?
But who are we to say? He has to be elected.
But that's what Revanth Reddy is saying.
He will be. I will be thin. I will be thin. He has to be elected.
Every party has a right to promote their leaders.
I'm asking you, when we as a country are in the middle of Operation Sindoor, this kind of statement of a chief minister, which is pure psychophancy and wishful thinking at this moment, can be true tomorrow, the election after that, I don't know when. But is this what we should have as a narrative within our country?
Navika, no, and that is the reason why I asked the Congress representative Ashwini ji, आप 3 सवाल पूछिए.
Doesn't the BJP do it? Doesn't the BJP do it for Modi?
मतलब आप ये
हर आदमी बीजेपी का मोदी साहब पापा मोदी का
वो तो अभी है ना. He is the prime minister. He is the prime minister.
पापा मोदी को जेल में पापा ट्रंप भी आ गए.
ऐसे कैसे?
दो पापा आ गए इस मुल्क में. अमेरिका. पहले पापा मोदी थे, पापा ट्रंप भी हैं. अब दो पापा आ गए.
Just listen to him.
जनता पार्टी वाले कह रहे हैं किसके पापा बनाए.
All people here are educated people. Let's not speak over each other. Let us not make this into a slugfest. Let one person speak, and then I will give turn.
And remember what he did to Ashutosh when he spoke out of line.
Also, Navika ji, it's fake news. UP government tweet. He's quoting from National Herald 2020. Sharam karo. Pakistan ke khilaf bolo. You should speak against Pakistan. You should have Rahul Gandhi speaking against Pakistan. Fake news. Rejected by the उसके बाद रिजेक्ट कर दिया, बोल दिया नहीं हो रहा. अरे आगे तो देखो, ये हेराल्ड मस्ट कोट करो, नेशनल हेराल्ड. So he will speak. झूठ नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. सोमनाथ जी, झूठ नहीं. पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ बोलो, राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ बोलो. फेक न्यूज.
Whoever is Anand Ranganathan will speak. The others, well, keep your volume down. Yes.
सीधी सी बात ये थी, जब मैंने अपना टाइम इनको दिया सवाल पूछने का, then they fluffed up their chances. एक भी सवाल इनका ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पे नहीं था, and I proved it. पिछले 20 दिन से all their objections are on ऑपरेशन सिंदूर. What does that tell you, Navika? Anyway, वो एक्सपोजर रहने दीजिए. इसका क्या मतलब है कि the sitting chief minister of Congress party is asking the country, in effect asking our armed forces, कितने रफाल गिरे?
क्यों? क्या गलत है?
एक मिनट,
क्या गलत है?
यही प्रॉब्लम है. क्या गलत है? नंबर 1 गवर्नमेंट.
नंबर 1 क्या गलत है?
सोमनाथ भारती will explain to him.
I want to finish.
आप मुझसे मत लड़िए. आपका काम नहीं है मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना.
अच्छा, क्वेश्चन आपके क्वेश्चन हैज टू बी.
I have asked Somnath Bharti.
बिल्कुल सही सवाल.
Why do you think, Somnath Bharti ji, it is wrong to ask how many planes has India lost?
हम नहीं लड़ेंगे आपस में.
DGF has answered it already.
पहले देश
has it not answered?
हम पूछेंगे कितने रफेल गिरे थे. हमारा हक है.
1 minute.
क्योंकि रफेल कंपनी के शेयर प्राइस गिरे थे.
How many Rafale fighters were shot down by Pakistan?
चढ़े थे.
That's not a question to be asked by any person who loves India.
Why not?
Okay. That will not be taken. No. Question is, where do you ask? And timing and place. ये वक्त नहीं पूछने का यार. ये वक्त नहीं पूछने का. ये वक्त नहीं पूछने का. My opinion.
You can ask after the operation. When
पापा ट्रंप ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया.
1 minute.
पापा ट्रंप ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया.
Let me 1 minute. पापा जी,
one at a time. So I'll say.
Let me address this with all the seriousness. Do we have the right to question? The answer is yes.
Yes.
But do we have the right to question with an intent of ridicule? Yes. The answer is no. A. B. This is an ongoing operation. In an ongoing operation, you don't question either the veracity or the entire operating excellence or not of an ongoing operation?
And see, Sohail, see, the DGMO was asked this question pinpointedly.
It is about the company which manufactures Rafale.
Absolutely.
Our allegation is you bought Rafale.
Conclusive segment on the News Hour Spotlight tonight. And in the conclusive segment, I just want to ask one question. Is this the time to begin to settle the issue? Are operations, are attacks better than your attacks? Congress government, BJP government? Because they have a problem with political mileage being taken by Prime Minister Modi. So I want to ask you, for 1971, is Indira Gandhi not hailed?
And she got the credit.
She got the credit, and
she should have.
Until date, you talk about it, because without the political will, the armies of our country do not move. Unlike Pakistan, where the army takes a decision and the politics.
And to be fair, Navika, Indira Gandhi should and did and must get the credit for 1971.
to Modi. अगर ceasefire मोदी ने किया होता,
but if Modi is
तो क्या है? युद्ध विराम है ना? युद्ध विराम है. मोदी डिक्लेयर करते.
Let me explain to India. Let me explain to India. Navika, let me explain to India through Navika's program. A, there is no ceasefire. The government of India has used the word cessation. Number one. Number two, as I said earlier, Mrs. Gandhi got, deserved, and should continuously get the credit for 1971.
Yes.
But this operation is not over. If after the operation you believe the operation has not swung the way that India wanted, then you either curse.
What is the time frame? What is the time frame?
Who are you to decide?
Congress will decide. Fight. General हो गए क्या? The war against terrorism is ongoing always.
Vivek, I really love you. You want me to make Gandhi the Prime Minister.
और बोले आप 40 मिनट. चार सीट नहीं है आपके पास. बोले आप 40 मिनट. ये क्या बात है? 1 minute, Vivek Srivastava. Wait. No, I'm asking Ashwini. Ashwini Kumar, my only question on this is simply this. You say Pahalgam was a security lapse, and for that the government and Modi was blamed? Yes. Was he not?
Yes.
If after that he has taken action, should he not get the credit?
Yes. He should get but let me finish. He should get the credit for the action he has done, but he should also take a responsibility, and because he was the one who did the ceasefire. Why is not? It is his decision. Not army decision. It is government decisions to do a ceasefire. Government decision to do a ceasefire. Government is doing the ceasefire, and it can make nobody else. Because Hafiz Saeed can make Congress understand nobody.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have come to the end of the show.
You all have left Shashi Tharoor out. He would explain the meaning of cessation to you.
Yes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this debate, I have only one issue. The opposition has the right to ask questions, and nobody is questioning that. But the opposition statements that are out of turn at a time when there are delegations of all parliamentarians from across the parliament. Opposition benches, treasury benches are all abroad with one message and one mission. Why are we striking different notes? When the Pakistan Prime Minister and people of Pakistan know the serious damage that has been done to their country, to their military, to their economy, why are Indian opposition parties deliberately trying to sully the narrative? The question will also have to be asked that you have the right to raise questions, you have the right to demand accountability. But in the end, time, manner, and place must be kept in mind. And nobody can take away from the honor of the country by raising ridiculous questions at a ridiculous time. When the operation has only ceased, it has not ended. And to create so much politics on Sindoor based on fake news, well, I leave it to the judgment of every single Indian to not fall for fake news, to keep India in their heart, but also on their tongues. Because narrative wars sometimes bigger than military wars. We leave it at that. Thanking all my panelists and thank you viewers for joining me tonight on the NewsHour Friday Spotlight.